Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Thursday, February 23rd, 9:06 a.m. And here are your morning ideas. Okay, gang, you can see I am in a position right now that's a little bit underwater. Did find yesterday quite well, just trading the back and forth. What I'm looking for here, and you can see basically in this position, is a continuation of we opened up kind of at the high, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. We opened wrong chart. We opened at near the the top of the range, and I was looking for the market to kind of fall back into the range. So I won't give this one a long leash. If we open up and we stay up here, which basically means that we're accepting prices above yesterday's range. Here's yesterday's range right here. Then I'll pitch this, right? I was looking for a move to get sustained down towards the bottom of the profile from yesterday and take a run down here at 39.72. I have my order to exit this position. What is 39.72? Well, basically 39.71, 70-ish is the VPOC. I was looking for the market to come bounce off of that and to get caught up here. And that was the idea behind this position. Now, the way I trade these things, and you can see that I got into this trade last night at 9 o'clock Eastern time last night, and this trade is still on. It just ebbs and flows, and I don't really interfere with it unless something has changed. Now, right at this point, we have putting in value. We have put in value above. It overlaps a little bit, but basically above yesterday's value. So this is telling me that this is not a good sign for a short, right? I want to see value developing lower instead of values developing higher. That's why I said I will, now that this trade has been on and we've traded for quite some time, I'll watch the open here and see what happens. And if we don't get some selling in the market to be able to sustain prices lower, or hold on to these lower prices, and we continue to trade up here, I'll just pitch this position for a loss. And that's just the way trading is. You have to see what is the market doing. Is it accepting prices? Is it rejecting them? And then try to position yourself accordingly, right? We do have an area above us that the market continues to come to. 41.70. It's 150 points to get there. So don't think that we'll get there today. I remember the whole premise behind this trade is a pullback to VPOC for us to gain some footing to make another push at 41.70. Okay, we have not got there, but I had enough room, right, for this trade to be a nice return for my risk, because I'm essentially getting in at 40.15, looking for almost 50 points of reward. And look, if this trade doesn't work right now, it's down 6 points. Like, I'm not going to hold on to this and let this thing trend up all day. I will see what happens off of the open and pitch this thing. May end up being a $500, $600 loss with the potential to be a $2,500 win. That's just the way. It's just one contract too, guys. It's just the way that you have to look at the trading and probabilities and understand when. Hey, is it a pipe dream now? Is it to hold on to this trade? Has something changed? In this case, since I took this trade, something has changed. We are accepting higher prices than yesterday, and we're pushing higher. So again, I want to see the open, see what happens, and then I will decide whether if we get a push lower, I'll hold on to it. If we sustain higher prices, I'll just bail from this position. And in the overnight session when I'm sleeping, I have a hard stop on. When I'm sitting at the computer, I do not trade with hard stops. I'm not advocating that you do that, especially if you're new, because it's very easy to get wishy-washy with positions when you don't trade with hard stops. But if you're trading in context and you're at the computer and you have some experience, it's something you may want to try. Again, I'm not telling you to risk the farm here. I'm just saying to understand that most of the successful traders I know understand that trading is very nuanced and every situation is a little bit different. So again, it's just the way I trade, my way of looking at it. Trade at your own risk, but make sure that you manage risk first and foremost. All right. So that's what I have for today, guys. Please enter in to win the iPad Pro this week. That will expire on Sunday evening. We will pick the winner on Monday. So if you have not entered, please enter and let us know if you guys have any questions.